Wow, wow. So wow, Jeffrey, as you see, wow.
Hi, we are now at Bukit Timah, Jalan Wazak, along Rifles Range Road. I'm going to show you one corner detached house next to the greenery and very privacy. My name is Jeffrey Sim. My partner is Josephine Tan. We are from OrangeTee and Thai AAG division. Let me walk with you with the house and let my designer show you how he can improve the house. Wilson.
Hello, hi, Jeff. Hello,
Good afternoon.
Hi. Afternoon.
Welcome.
Hi.
Can we walk around and show me how to improve this house?
No problem at all.
Okay.
Come, let's take a look inside.
Right.
Yeah.
Need a magic hand because I got lots of potential buyer, but they're not sure how to improve this house.
I see.
So
But
please.
Jeffrey, the most important thing when I step in, right, I can feel that this house is very good because there's a lot of natural lighting coming in. Yeah, you know, as a designer, right, we always like to design things that you can actually cooperate with this natural lighting. So I think this house is very nice and it's very cooling. And I think the most wonderful part, right, they have a very big frontage down here. And I can see the entrance down here, right, is a very welcome.
Yep.
You know, like someone come to your house, right, and then we can actually welcome them. So I'm going to design something very interesting in front with nice feature wall, right? To do it is like a welcome for everyone that we actually step in this house.
Okay.
Yeah, on this door entrance here.
Okay.
Right. Maybe you can take a look inside.
Sure.
Yep. Wow, Jeffrey, this is a very good layout, you see, and actually have designed step by step. So I think it's good that when we come in from outside, right, we can actually have our shoe rack here and also a nice display area here to show and to welcome all our homeowner friends to come in. So this is a very good area that we can actually propose the nice design here.
Okay,
right?
not bad.
Yeah, and also based down here, right, I can see that all the wall, right, is covered from window, and it's very great that there's actually a lot of natural light to coming in here. So means that we don't have to always on the light. You know, as you know, some landed house, right, is a bit too dark, and we need to on the light from morning to afternoon. But I think down here is perfect. You have a natural light from left and right and behind.
So how are you going to improve this hall?
So I'm going to do a very nice design of the feature wall here to create a nice living area and a very big set of sofa down here also.
Do you think we need to change the stone?
I think the stone is just nice. On my design, right, I can actually compromise the color and the stone, right, to be as close as possible. So that is not a big issue for me. And also we can have some nice display area over here because I can see that down here, right, we have a natural type of window down here. So it's good that we have some display here, will be nice also.
Do you advise this portion have a big opening instead of putting this cabinet?
We can do that also. We can actually have a full height of window down here to remove everything here, and we have a big light come in.
Yeah,
yes.
Light and the wind will come in
Yes,
from here,
correct.
and can enjoy the greenery.
Yes, so we can have a full view to see the greenery outside there. I think this is a good idea on that also. Jeffrey.
Great.
Yes.
Okay.
Right, so after we have stepped in down here, we have moved into our dining area. So
Right.
this is a very big dining area down here. I think that this down here will be served as a wet kitchen. So I propose we can actually hack down this wall to have a dry and wet kitchen with a long island here. It will be nice also. A long island table down here, and actually down here is very nice that we can have a dining area with a very nice view here. So I'll propose to hack down this wall to make it like a dry and wet kitchen, and we have a full long dining area here. That will be very nice. Yes, I like this layout very much.
Okay, this dining hall is pretty big.
Yes,
Good size.
right.
What about the kitchen? I think the kitchen is very old.
So like just now I mentioned, right, we're going to hack down the wall and do an open concept kitchen, and we'll divide it to a dry and wet kitchen also.
Okay.
So we're going to change all the kitchen design, color, everything have to go here, right, and do it more modern to fit outside our modern dining area. So that will be very nice also.
Are you going to make some opening out to the back?
Yes, we're going to hack off, and we're going to do it nicely behind to utilize the place there.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's a good sized made room, isn't it?
Yes, this is a very good sized mixed room, right? So I think that down here, right, we can design a very warm feel for our mates to actually have a good rest here.
And attached with the bathroom.
Yeah, and it has an ensuite also. So I think this is a very good layout plan.
Let's go and see the rooms. Or basement first?
Yeah.
Basement first.
So wow, Jeffrey, you have a very big room here. So I think it's just nice that one room it can be a gym room and one room it can be a karaoke room or movie room.
I see.
I think this size is perfect because everything is so complete. As you see, wow, this is a very big room. So I suggest down here can be a very nice karaoke and also entertain room for the friend. Even they can have a billiard here and they actually have some chew up place here. It's actually a very good separate out. So the gym will be on the next door. So I think the gym right can be on the next door to have fully utilized the gym area. I think the owner will be very happy if, let's say, they have a gym and also an entertain area to combine. Will be a very good invest for them also.
Okay, great. Looking forward to your design.
Yeah, and this room, right, Jeffrey, right, will be very good for gym area. As you can see, right, the space is very big and big enough.
Oh yeah.
Yes, so I think down here can be at least a very complete gym set down here. I think the family will be very happy, and also gym, right, is the place that they can actually bonding with the kids together. The father, the mother, the brother, the sister can be down here. So I think this is a very great layout, and it's very good to have a gym area down here.
Good idea.
Yeah.
Right now we are the second floor. We are walking towards the huge master bedroom.
Wow, so this is the master bedroom?
Yes.
Wow, so they have a very big door down here. Wow, this is fantastic. And Jeffrey, the master bedroom have a nice view here.
Exactly.
Wow, you
can we open up this bigger?
Yes. We can actually do it bigger on that also, no problem. All right. So it's a nice view. So what I'm going to do down here, right? We're going to do a very complete, like a suite. You know, we have a rest area, study, and plus a king size bed area down here. Yeah, because this layout is just nice that we can have a king size bed, a living, and also a study area here. Of course, we have a nice walk-in wardrobe inside. We're going to design a walk-in wardrobe and also the toilet to redo everything on the toilet.
Okay, we are going to the two common bedroom.
Right, so they have a very nice combined down here, Jeffrey, right?
Yep.
The master, and we have a two bedroom down here, good size. Let's take a look inside. Wow! They have a very big area down here. So we're going to design a king size bed here with a study area. Yeah, and of course we're going to redo the toilet and also the walk-in wardrobe inside. So both have the same layout. We're going to do it both, propose the same design and the layout also.
We are now at third floor. The attic with two rooms and attached with toilet.
Yes. Alright, so basically, right, Jeffrey, you can see that the roof is a bit too low. So what you're going to suggest, right, we're going to apply this through BCA, right, to do it higher to be a high ceiling. Right, so of course we need to do submission and to do ask our PE to write in and to repropose. So the most important down here, right, I think that this bedroom is very good to convert to a common study room, whereby they can play game here. You know nowadays people play game, right? They're going to shout loud, shout that, right? I think this is a very good area, whereby they don't disturb people below. So I think that this room is very good for a gaming room.
Agreed.
Yeah, and also a study area. And of course we have one more here, bedroom, right? For this bedroom, it's good that we can do it like a guest room. Okay, I think the guest room is just nice down here. We can actually create a guest room. Yeah, all the ceiling down here, we will write in and to suggest to push all the way up to have a higher ceiling.
Wilson, let's walk around the garden and see how can you improve it.
Wow, Jeffrey, down here have a very nice ambience down here. Some more have a side gate here. So I think it's a very good design that you can just walk past and go out from here.
Yeah, go to the MRT station shortcut.
Yes, right. So I think that down here will be a very good area, right, to propose a swimming pool down here, a lap pool. Yeah, in this area. On top of lap pool, right, also we can consider to do it like a landscape, all the way the landscape. It will be nice also.
Oh, good idea.
So that I will actually see in mind and see what is the design I can propose to you. But I think definitely to have a lap pool here is nice. Right.
Okay, good idea. The land size is 5,823 square feet and the built-up area approximately 7,900 square feet. Tenure is 999 diesel 999 diesel. Should you have any interest to find out more about this place, please feel free to call me or my partner Josephine Tan. Thank you.
AAG, the #1 top division in orange tea and Thai.